Hi, my name is NURATIQAH binti Muhammad HATTA. So, what is definition of differentiation? Differentiation is derivative. The derivative is the core of calculus. The derivative is a function's instantaneous rate of change for one of its variables. That is equivalent to finding the tangent line slope at a point to the function. Differentiation helps one to determine rate of change. For example, it allows us to find the rate of velocity change, which is acceleration with respect to time. It also allows us to find the rate of change of x in respect to y, which is the gradient of the curve on a graph of y against x. Related rate is one of the application of differentiation. In differential calculus, related rates problems involve finding a rate at which a quantity changes by relating that quantity to other quantities whose rates of change are known. The rate of change is usually with respect to time. Related rates problem involve two or more variables that change at the same time, possibly at different rates. If we know how the variables are related and how fast one of them is changing, then we can figure out how fast the other one is changing. This usually involves writing an equation relating to two variables and taking the derivative of the equation with respect to time. Implicit differentiation is often used.
Hi, my name is HAFIZ bin MUHAMAD. Okay guys, have you ever thought why we apply related rates? It is because science and engineering often relate quantities to each other, and the methods of related rates have broad applications in these fields. Differentiation with respect to time or one of other variables requires application of the chain rule, since most problems involve several variables. The next thing is where we apply related rates. Related rates problems are known for their real-life problems, but how real-life are they actually? Is there anyone out there ever think to calculate how snowballs melt or balloon is blown up? Related rates actually helps us to calculate these things. So instead of looking at these trivial things, let's look out for something bigger. Yes, space. Many countries conduct space operations using science, mathematics, and related rates to make this come true. Where is related rates involved? The answer is business. Businessmen need to know different variables that are connected to produce the best solution.
Water is poured into a container at a rate of 12 cm³ per second. The volume of water in the container given by V equals to 3/2 times h squared plus 8h, where h is the height of water in container. Find the rate of change at which the height of water is increasing to h equals to 8. Okay, first thing first, we're gonna list down all of the information from the question, which is dv over dt equals to 12. Next, we need to find the rate of change at which the height of water is increasing to h. We need to find height, right? So dh over dt equals to, we don't know, and the question given height equals to 8. So from this information, we need to create a new formula, which is we need to find dh over dt, so equals to put down the dv over dt inside the new formula, dv over dt. So you can see at left hand side we have dh, but at right hand side, the numerator, the dv, we need to time with dh over dV. So we can find dH over dt. Next, we just put the value of dV over dt into the equation, which is 12 times. Okay, before that we need to differentiate dH over dV, which means we differentiate H respect to V, but we got V from the formula. So we need to differentiate V respect to H. So V equals to 3 over 2 times H square plus 8H. So we need to differentiate the equation inside the bracket. So dV over dH equals to 3 over 2 differentiate 2H plus 8. Next, we substitute this one into this formula. dH over dt equals to dV over dt times dH over dV. But from the previous answer, we differentiate V over dH. So, which means we need to change the we differentiate dV over dH. So we need to change the dH over dV. So put the value of dV over dt, which is 12 times dV over dH equals to 2 over 3 times 2H plus 8. Then we substitute H equals to 8 into this. So equals to 12 times 2 over 3, 2 times 8 plus 8. Then the final answer is 1 over 3. The unit is centimeter per second. To find the unit, we need to refer the dH over dt, which is height over time.